Greetings, Chocoholics! This is the video tutorial for the ice cream sandwich chocolates recipe.
By now, you should have a good understanding of how to decorate your molds, how to temper chocolate, and how to make chocolate shells.
If you need to brush up on anything, you can watch our Chocolates Masterclass course on YouTube. Following the recipe, let's gather the ingredients. For the equipment, we'll need a digital scale, a saucepan, a container, a fine mesh strainer, an immersion blender, a wire whip, a spatula, a small knife, a pastry bag and a clip, and a tall container. In the saucepan, we need to put our cream, our corn syrup, our invert sugar or honey, and our vanilla beans. Those vanilla beans need to be split and chopped. For one vanilla bean, we'll split it first and then scrape it. The other two beans we'll just split and chop. Separately, we'll measure out our butter and cocoa butter and set them aside. Lastly, we'll put in our vanilla extract. Now that we've got everything measured out, let's start cooking. On a medium heat, stir the cream mixture and heat it until it just starts boiling. Once the cream mixture just comes to a boil, remove it from the heat and set it aside for about 5 minutes. This will allow the vanilla beans to steep in the cream and create a deeper flavor. After about 5 minutes, strain your cream mixture through a fine mesh strainer into a container with your white chocolate. Don't forget to press all that creamy goodness out of the vanilla beans. And then scrape off the strainer so you don't miss an ounce of that vanilla flavor. Using your immersion blender, emulsify the chocolate and cream mixture together while slowly adding the butter and cocoa butter until you get a glossy and smooth ganache. Keep blending until everything is emulsified and glossy and smooth. Place your pastry bag into a tall container and then pour in the ganache. Once filled, clip off your pastry bag and set it aside to cool. You may want to roll and knead your pastry bag to allow the ganache to cool evenly. Once your ganache has reached around 88 degrees, you can now start filling your shells. Make sure your ganache isn't any warmer than 88 degrees, or your shells will have a difficult time releasing from the molds. Once your chocolates are filled, set them aside for 8 hours or overnight so the ganache can set properly.
The next morning.
If you need a refresher on filling, capping, and unmolding your chocolates, you can watch a masterclass video here. Now that the chocolate is set and completely contracted away from the mold, you can now turn out your completed masterpiece. Congratulations! You now know how to make ice cream sandwich chocolates. Feel free to watch this video over and over again as you follow the recipe from the Aroma Chocolates Recipe Club. We'll see you again next month, and in the meantime, I hope you have a sweet day.